Hey everyone, my name is Adam Schreifels. I'm going to be reviewing the Partner with Anthony program, an excellent training program for affiliate marketers. And if you're wondering what affiliate marketing is, put simply, you're a middleman. You bring buyers and sellers together. And you have heard about Anthony Morrison. He's made millions on the internet marketing. And so he knows what he's talking about. And so a little bit about myself. I've done online businesses for probably about 15 years now. And I started out with an eBay business, 2006. By 2008, I was on track to do $1 million in revenue. In May of 2008, I was doing probably about $45,000-$50,000 a month before that. And in May, it dropped to 5,000. So a 95% drop within a month. And that was due to the Great Recession. In the same month, my brother died. So 2008 was a blur. And I ended up losing my business that year because people weren't buying the products I was selling, because they didn't have a lot of disposable income, and the product I was selling, it was one of those things. It wasn't essential. So, after that, I dabbled in some other things. I did MLM. I did e-com. I tried to bring my own product to market, and that was met with its own set of challenges and obstacles. It was a food product, so I tried to market outside vending, and I did the Super Bowl when it was here in Minneapolis. And if you know anything about Minneapolis in February, it's flipping cold. So, and nobody was outside, and that's where this was set up, Super Bowl Live. Nobody was outside, so we lost our butts. So yeah, after that, I was on the fence. Should I keep pouring more money into this? And then COVID-19 happened. And as I'm filming this, I'm unemployed. And I was working in the hospitality industry as a bartender slash catering server, banquet server. And, I was making good money. I'm stuffing money away in 401k. But as I'm filming this, it looks like it's not going to return this year. So last month, I was just wondering, what the heck am I going to do? I wanted to go back to school to be a lawyer. Now, that's probably not a smart thing to do when I don't have any income. How am I going to pay for it? I don't need to be taking on a couple $100,000 in debt. So I came across this video about partnering with Anthony with affiliate marketing. And thank God I did. It is a step-by-step process of how to build an affiliate marketing business. And I've seen a lot of these different training programs, and I bought into some of them. And let me tell you, some of them overwhelm you with so much information that you don't know what you're doing, and you just stop because it's overwhelming. And you spend a ton of money to do it. But with this program, you can get it for $7 a month. No joke, $7. And the information this guy has in it, it's outstanding. So what I want you to do, if you're interested, click the link below this video and get started. For the price of a couple lattes, you can start building your own business. And if you're anything in any place like I am, you might be unemployed. You might be wondering about your job in 2020. If anything, what COVID-19 has shown is that the market, you need to take control of yourself. So, because unknown factors can happen that completely throw your life in upheaval. So click the link below, and you'll be glad you did. Don't miss out on this opportunity.